Thousands of health workers across the country are vulnerable to coronavirus. Even doctors could not avoid it. So far, 196 doctors have died in 18 states from coronavirus. In view of this, the Indian Medical Association has written a letter to Prime Minister Narendra Modi demanding to provide health insurance to all doctors. According to the association, 43 doctors have died in Tamil Nadu, 23 in Maharashtra, 23 in Gujarat, 19 in Bihar, 16 in West Bengal, 15 in Karnataka, 12 in Delhi and 11 in Uttar Pradesh. Most of the doctors who have died of coronavirus were over 50 years of age. 32 doctors were below 50 years of age, while 27 were over 70 years old. Among them, 32 were specialists in medicine, while 62 doctors were general practitioners. Association President Dr. Rajan Sharma said that doctors are more at risk of infection. General Secretary Dr. R.V. Ashokan said that adequate medical care should be provided to doctors and family members infected with corona. The Federation of Resident Doctors Association (FORDA) had also written a letter to the central government demanding health insurance to be provided to all doctors. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi has also raised concern over the death of doctors all over the country due to the corona pandemic. Rahul Gandhi said in a tweet on Monday, "The public expressed confidence in Modi by clapping for the corona warriors. But, as usual, the Modi government pulled out of assisting corona warriors. The government must provide security, respect and facilities to the corona warriors." Rahul Gandhi has been questioning the government on the state of health workers who have been dedicatedly active since the outbreak of pandemic in India. Thousands of these health workers are still forced to work without proper PPEs. As the number of coronavirus cases surges in India, the healthcare system is saturated and the doctors and health workers are under tremendous pressure. These doctors are working in unusually long shifts. Many times they have to stay away from family to avoid the risk of contraction of virus. In many hospitals, the doctors had to approach the court for their salaries, as they were not paid their salaries for months after the outbreak of pandemic. The Modi government arranged the flower parade and thali parade along with the candle parade for the coronavirus warriors, but their actual problems have been ignored by the government.